Hi, welcome to your second edition of Book Trailer Tuesday. We're going to be doing Notes from the Midnight Driver today, which some of you may have already read. It's actually a funny young adult lit book, which is great because you don't get a lot of humor in this genre. So, it's by Jordan Sonnenblick, pretty good one, and without further ado, we're going to get to a quick review on Notes from the Midnight Driver, and then a comprehension strategy for you. So, here we go. My dad is such a jerk. I can't believe he left us for my third grade teacher. I'm going to drive over there in my mom's car and give him a piece of my mind. I don't actually have my license yet, but I'm sure she won't mind. First, though, I'm going to drink the rest of this vodka. Dun dun dun. I can't believe kids these days. He's drunk, he's driving, and now he's parked on someone's front yard. Kid, you just barfed all over my shoes. And take a look under the car and see what you hit. You're going to jail. No! Okay, so let me give you a little further information about this. So Alex, underage, had a little to drink, got behind the wheel of a car, his mom's car, drunk, got in an accident on the way to his dad's house. A pretty severe accident. There's going to be some consequences that come along with it. I don't want to give too much away about that. But as part of his punishment, he has to do community service, and he ends up working at a nursing home with a man named Solomon, who he calls Saul. Now, Solomon is Jewish, and he uses a lot of Jewish slang, and so you're going to have to use some context clues in there to figure out what they mean, which is good for vocabulary. And but he is trying to figure out, like, number one, how to deal with, this punishment, how to deal with Saul, how to deal with the fact that he's grounded. He is upset, he's upset with his parents over their divorce, and he's also dealing with this friend of his who Solomon thinks that he should date. But, we'll see how that turns out. You're going to have to do some inferencing in this book, and I just wanted to explain quickly, reminder, the difference between prediction and inferencing. Prediction is when you're guessing what's going to happen next, or you're guessing how the movie is going to end, where an inference is where you've already been given some information, but you have to kind of fill in the blanks and figure out what's going on beneath the surface. So I'm just going to read a little portion right here for you, and then talk about some inferences that I'm going to make. So, eventually, the sodden mass of paper, blood, wipes, and coffee was disposed of by a guy in rubber gloves. Sarge found a new pair of pants and came back. He took a really long look at my forehead, the mixture of blood, snot, and tears flowing freely across my face, and the moist abstract painting that had been his desk blotter, and decided to use a trick which always works for my dad. He would make me somebody else's problem. Sarge shouted across the room, "Call me an ambulance!" I couldn't help myself. Okay, you're an ambulance. And so it went until the paramedics accidentally banged my head against the doorway of the emergency room, and I passed out for good. Okay, so I can infer here that Alex is still pretty drunk at the time this happens because he's being arrested and he's still being quite belligerent. Another thing is, he is feeling, really upset as well, as he's got tears all over his face. He definitely needs to be in an ambulance as he's bloody and being taken to the hospital. So it doesn't tell me all that stuff, but I can definitely infer it. I also wonder, I don't know if this is really an inference or a question, but when it says the paramedics accidentally banged my head, I wonder if after that belligerent comment to the police officer, if maybe somebody got a little close to the wall on purpose. I don't know, but those are some inferences that you can make. So based on the information you're given, how can you fill in the blanks? So you'll be able to do some inferencing, and pretty easily with this book, Notes from the Midnight Driver, and my guess is you're going to be doing a lot of laughing as well. So thanks so much for being here on Book Trailer Tuesday. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.